Avoiding collisions, mastering English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, avoid collisions. This phrase is not just about physical accidents, it has a broader use in English. Let's dive into its meanings and usage. Avoid collisions literally means to steer clear of physical crashes or accidents. It's commonly used in the context of driving or navigating through space. However, in English, this phrase also extends to non-physical contexts. It implies preventing conflicts or clashes in ideas, opinions, or plans. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase works in everyday language. In conversation, we need to avoid collisions in our project plan by ensuring everyone's roles are clearly defined. In business, the meeting is scheduled to avoid collisions with other departmental activities. These examples show how the phrase is used to avoid misunderstandings or overlapping in various situations. Understanding synonyms can enhance your language skills. For avoid collisions, similar phrases are avoid conflicts, prevent clashes, steer clear of accidents. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. To solidify your understanding, try creating your own sentences using avoid collisions. Think of scenarios in personal life, work, or even hypothetical situations. Avoid collisions is a versatile phrase in English, applicable in both literal and figurative contexts. Remember, mastering a language involves understanding such nuances. I hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.